go.
Okay.
The rules.
Just you gotta get what killed.
The master told us he betrayed us. He took the brushes. No, he didn't.
Ryan's turn. Weirdest noise.
She's dead.
That was really weird, Ryan. No, I'm not playing. Oh, this is supposed to be noises.
Wait, what were you doing?
We're supposed to make noises.
Was that your weirdest face?
Quack!
Quack. I don't have anything. Give me a minute, I'll get a good one. Still thinking.
Go. It's Andrew. No.
Your turn.
What?
No, it's not
Weird
Andrew.
noise.
Like what?
A weird noise.
Weird noise.
Someone make a weird noise.
Yippee-ki-yay!
Okay. Keep guessing. No cards?
I don't have weird noise.
Well, let's say form.
That's what I think.
Okay, Joe.
I don't know.
You don't